welcome to another GCSE revision video, and in this video we're going to be continuing with simultaneous equations, and this time we're going to solve by a method known as elimination. In mathematics there are usually several or many valid ways to arrive at the correct solution. Each method has its own strengths and limitations. Knowing the strengths and limitations of multiple methods will help you choose the most efficient route to the correct answer. Failing to choose the most appropriate method will probably not cost you marks on an individual exam question, but might waste valuable time and potentially could cause you to run out of time on the paper. The strength of the substitution method is it's very flexible and works with any type of simultaneous equation. So if you're only going to learn one method, learn the substitution method. But for some simultaneous equation, there is a quicker and easier way to arrive at the same solution. Let's take this system of simultaneous equations, for example, 2x plus y equals 5 and 2x minus y equals 3. We can use the elimination method if you can easily spot a way of eliminating a variable. Otherwise, just use the substitution method. In this case, the plus y and minus y will disappear if we add the two equations together. We call that having eliminated y. So in this case, 2x plus 2x is 4x, positive y plus negative y is 0, so it disappears. 5 plus 3 is 8, so when we add 2x plus y equals 5 to 2x minus y equals 3, we're left with the equation 4x equals 8. Dividing both sides of the equation by 4x equals 8 becomes x equals 8 divided by 4. Well, if x is 8 divided by 4, then x is 2. And from now on, it's just the same with the substitution method. We can substitute x equals 2 into either of the two equations. In this case, let's pick 2x plus y equals 5. Well, if x is 2, then where we see the x in that equation, we substitute 2. So 2x plus y equals 5 becomes 2 times 2 plus y equals 5. So if 2 times 2 plus y equals 5, then because 2 times 2 is 4, then 4 plus y equals 5. Moving the 4 term over to the other side of the equals, it becomes negative 4. Or we could think of just subtracting 4 from both sides of the equation. Either way works. We end up with y equals 5 minus 4. And since 5 minus 4 is 1, if y equals 5 minus 4, then y equals 1. So the solution to this system of simultaneous equations is x equals 2 and y equals 1. Okay, well, so much for the theory. Let's have a go at putting that into practice. Let's try something like 2x plus 3y equals 18 and x plus y equals 7. Okay, well, we can't just add them or subtract them, but what we can do is if we multiply this second equation here by 2, then we'll get 2x plus 2y is equal to 7 times 2 is 14. And now, if I just quickly take that one out of the way, and now if I subtract these equations, 2x minus 2x is 0, so the x's disappear. 3y minus 2y is just y, and that's equal to, well, 18 minus 14 is 4. So we've already got y equals 4. Now we just substitute that into, say, this equation here. X plus y becomes x plus 4 because y is equal to 4, and that's equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 minus 4, so x is equal to 3. So our solution set is, if we express it as an ordered pair, is 3, 4, or you could write it as x equals 3, y equals 4. When you're doing an ordered pair, you do x first and then y. Okay, let's try one more. Okay, let's try 2x minus 6y is equal to 2, and 6x minus 2y is equal to 38. Okay, well again, we can't just add or subtract them, so we've got to manipulate these in order to make them so that we can add or subtract them in order to eliminate a variable. In this case, I'm going to take the top one and I'm going to multiply it by 3. So 2x times 3 is 6x. Negative 6y times 3 is negative 18y. And 2 times 3 is 6. And now I can subtract these two equations. 6x minus 6x is nothing, so that doesn't count. Negative 2y minus negative 18y is the same as negative 2y plus 18y, which is the same as 18y minus 2y, which is 16y. And that's equal to 38 minus 6 is 32. Well, 32 is just double 16. 16 times 2 is 32, so y is equal to 2. Now we substitute the y equals 2 into one of the above equations, and I think this one's the easiest. So 2x minus 6 times 2 is equal to 2. So 2x minus 12 equals 2. So 2x is equal to 2 plus 12. So 2x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 divided by 2 is 7. So our solution set is x equals 7, y equals 2, and if we're going to put that as an ordered pair, it's just 7, 2. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Why don't you have a go at doing some simultaneous equations yourself and trying to decide whether you think the substitution method or the elimination method would be quickest to get to the answer, and then work out the answers. So keep practicing, and good luck with your revision, and good luck with your exams, and I'll see you in another video.